The FS1306 series door closer. Please note, this door closer is suitable for horizontal installation only. Included in the box is one FS1306 door closer, one connecting arm nut, 6 fixing screws, and one user manual with fitting template. Please read the installation instructions carefully before attempting to install the door closer. To install the door closer, you will need a tape measure, a pencil, protective eyewear, a Phillips screwdriver, a drill, and a 1/8 inch drill bit. This video shows a typical installation as recommended by Fortress Hardware. First of all, loosely attach the arm to the door closer using the connecting arm nut. Then hold the fitting template against the edge of the door and gently mark the door with a pencil, perforating the template at the locations of the holes that will need to be drilled. Carefully drill all 6 holes, 4 for the main door closer and 2 for the fixing arm. Join the arm of the door closer to the body using the connecting nut and adjust the arm at 90 degrees to the front corner of the door. Fix all of the screws tightly, but do not over-tighten them. When you've installed the door closer, gently open the door to ensure that the movement is correct and that the door closer is functioning properly. You can turn the valves to adjust the speed. Do not over-twist the valves, or you might accidentally remove them. Turn the valves clockwise to decrease the speed or counterclockwise to increase the speed. Valve 1 adjusts the closing speed from 180 degrees, or fully open, to 15 degrees. Valve 2 adjusts the latching speed, the final 15 to 0 degrees, or fully closed. Please note, incorrect installation can be hazardous. Installation should always be carried out by a properly trained professional.